Model train experts. Did your children grow up with Thomas the Tank? Did you ever read them the story of The Little Engine That Could? There's a nostalgia associated with model railroading, even if it's unspoken. Railroads take us back to an earlier era, a simpler time, when travel by train was seen as a luxury, an event in itself, and not just a mode of transportation. Did you spend the best times of your life in that era? Or maybe you didn't, but would love to recapture the joy you imagine associated with it? If so, model railroading is the hobby for you. And yes, this hobby can get quite detailed. But don't be intimidated. The beauty of this hobby is that you can get involved to whatever level you feel comfortable. The great secret of this hobby is that the person who buys his village and the person who builds it from scratch are both enjoying themselves to the fullest. Every model railroader is in it for the love of the trains and the history. Are you ready to take a train ride back in time? Come and visit today. https://modeltrainexpertswordpress.com/